In the realm of creativity, the age-old question lingers: can AI replace human ingenuity? As groundbreaking advancements continue to emerge, artificial intelligence has ignited an endless debate. Today, we delve deep into this intriguing topic. Creativity, the essence of human expression, has been the cornerstone of innovation and artistic expression throughout history. But now, AI algorithms can generate astonishingly intricate artwork, compose symphonies that rival Beethoven, and even pen captivating novels. Yet, can a machine truly capture the soul, the passion, and the depth behind creative endeavors? Some argue that AI lacks genuine emotion and intuition, limiting its ability to produce art that resonates with audiences. Artist interviewee: art is a reflection of the human experience. It's an expression of our emotions, our struggles, and our triumphs. AI may be capable of mimicking certain styles, but it can never truly understand what it means to be human. While AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends, it lacks the subtle nuances, emotions, and personal experiences that fuel creativity. It may be able to replicate known artistic styles, but can it bring forward something truly original? Something that challenges the status quo and pushes boundaries? Software engineer interviewee: AI is a tool, an extension of our own capabilities. It can assist us in generating ideas, enhancing our creative process, and even opening up new directions. It's a symbiotic relationship where humans and AI come together to achieve greater outcomes. Indeed, AI can augment human creativity, acting as a collaborator rather than a replacement. By analyzing vast troves of inspiring content, AI can inspire new ideas, streamline workflows, and provide fresh perspectives. It can serve as a catalyst for innovation, offering creative individuals the opportunity to explore uncharted territories and break new ground. Artist: working hand in hand with AI allows me to explore ideas that I wouldn't have thought possible. It's like having an infinite source of inspiration and a co-creator that challenges me to push beyond my limits. In the realm of creativity, the collaboration between humans and AI is poised to unleash a new era of innovation. While AI may have the ability to amaze and impress, it is our unique human experiences and emotions that will forever fuel the flames of creativity. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed this exploration of AI and creativity, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions.